I am in Animal Company. I'm gonna go to the new update. Where's Rook? Rook! 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 Where are you?
Where?
Oh, there you okay, there you are. Okay, so.
How do I get this thing off of me?
What? The hat? Okay, let's go. Where are you? Rook, where are you? I don't see you. Yo! Oh, I need to get a thumbnail shot. I need to get a thumbnail shot. Like, come over here. Come back over here. I need a thumbnail shot. I got it. I got it. Sweet. Let's go.
Yo, bro, your umbrella. It's not open.
Hey. Rook!
Oh!
Where'd you go? Come on, Stinky. Nope. Yes. Okay, the umbrella really does help.
Alright.
Let's go. What'd you start
I have
doing?
an idea. Okay, this level, be careful. There's spikes everywhere.
Okay.
Wait, no, not this one, not this one. Wait, watch this, come here. Hold on to your stuff. Back away. Not yet, there, back away. Alright, watch. Alright, now we go. Wait.
Wow! Yo, I made it! Where you at? Rook? Whoa! Oh, okay. Rook? We need to continue on. He would have wanted this. Go! Where does one go? Oh! Oh no!
Fluid?
Where are you? I'm at the pyramid!
too.
Oh! I'm at the second lava area. Just finished the pyramid level. Whoa. Woo! Sorry, I'm using this. It's just like, man, I wanna actually be able to beat this. I need that money because I broke. Ducky! Nope. Rook? Should I come back down for you? Rook?
Are you in channel 1? I'm at the end of the pier.
I'm on channel 1, yeah.
That's at pier.
I finished the third level. Yeah, I'm coming back down for you.
Alright.
Where are you at? I'm here. I saw you. Hey,
Yo!
let's go.
Let's get out of here, bro. And make you sneaky.
Ooh. Fly! Woo! Woo! No! Oh no! I dropped my thing. I'll be right back.
Okay.
That's a good strat. Use your umbrella to fling yourself. It's a good strat.
Okay, I'm already at the top. I'm waiting for you.
Oh, no, okay. Here, let's go.
Let's go.
Up to your umbrella. Choose it. Whoa, okay. Oh, yeah. This seems easy. Six minutes. How many levels are there?
I think like 5.
Oh, what is this one?
Huh?
What is this one?
Just a laser. Oh no, this one's easy. And normally it would be hard if we didn't have bubbles, but
Oh, spikes. Okay. Hold up, I gotta scratch my eye. Oh, no.
Hello?
Okay, that's rising. Okay, I'm supposing we gotta go, right? Why is the tank rising?
Nah, very seeing things fine.
Dude, this music low-key fire!
They don't kill you. They don't kill you, but they do a little bit of damage. Right?
Oh, okay.
Another way though.
Okay. Ah, okay, I'm gonna Ow. Are you
Oh, no,
okay?
I'm saying, ow, I'm not actually feeling it.
Ember, what's your health?
I'm not even halfway yet.
I fell into the lava, but I'm fine.
Okay, this part's a little easier.
That's fine.
Right here.
Whee!
They got laser going around the top though. So we just
Okay.
gotta wait for that to pass. And then come up here.
Wait, oh, okay. Oh!
Don't even worry about this. Follow me. Ow. Just get on top of this TV. You're good.
Sweet.
Easy. And now we're done, bro.
You did it?
What are you doing? You did it.
You are a shining star! Yeah! Got it! I'm a shining star! Dude! Sweet. Do I press this
Fun,
button?
bro. Yes.
Coins! I'm
I
rich!
get the hat.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
Alright.
That was fun. Let's head out. Come on, bro. What the?
Where am I? Watch this, bro.
You stinky, bro. You low-key stinky.
It's my aura!
Okay. Bro got the smelly aura. Bro guys, the Discord moderator aura.
Alright, that's it.
Sweet. Nah.
Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Watch out, the ghost.
What the heck?
I'm trying to get back down.
Heh.
Put me back in my body.
Nuh-uh. You bitch.
You a poopy pants, you a poopy pants. Liar, liar, pants on fire. Can't you let me do my dance?